Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit. Today we're going to move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big, deep breath. Let's begin.
Sit crisscross on the floor. Make your back tall like a mountain. Hands on your knees. Take a big, slow breath in and out. Kneel down and sit on your heels. Keep your back tall, hands on your legs. Stay strong like a shiny diamond. Stand up. Open your legs wide. Stretch your arms like airplane wings. Slide one hand down your leg. Look up at the sky. Nice work. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Sit down. One leg straight, one bent. Reach to your toes. Try to touch your knee with your nose. Stretch gently. Sit tall. Cross one leg over. Turn your body slowly. Look back like an owl. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Lie on your tummy. Hold your feet with your hands. Lift your chest and legs. You're a strong bow. Lie on your back. Lift your legs up and over your head. Toes reach behind you. Move slowly and carefully. Lie on your back. Lift your legs up high. Relax your arms. Breathe and smile. Kneel down. Fold forward like a little ball. Arms in front or hugging your legs. Rest and breathe.
Great job, Super Kids! You did amazing today! If you had fun, subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines. Bye-bye!